best practice for uploading your student and staff data is to set up automatic rostering with your student information system by OneRoster API or SFTP to find out which rostering method will work best for you and to complete the setup. Please have the system administrator for your SIS follow the instructions linked in the Rostering tab in People Manager. You will need to have the owner role in Minga to access rostering. After you have added the required information into Minga for the OneRoster API setup or have set up the SFTP using the provided credentials, you can go ahead and enable automatic rostering. You will also need to enable the update of student and staff data individually. We recommend you choose to skip existing and missing members until you have verified the automatic sync is working correctly. Click Save. Test the connection to your SIS by clicking Test Your Information. When you see success pop up, you have successfully connected Minga to your SIS, and rostering will now import new users daily. If you see an error, please double-check your information. And then toggle settings on and off again. And click Save. Try testing your information again. If you still receive an error, then contact support@minga.io. After the first upload, check the Manage People tab in the People Manager to confirm all data is importing correctly. After successful rostering, you can update the way Minga will treat updated or missing user records from your SIS. Updating existing users will keep Minga up to date with any changes in your SIS. Archiving missing users will automatically archive students from Minga when they no longer attend your school. Once you have completed configuration, click Save. Review the history report at the bottom of the Rostering tab to view the student and staff data that has been created, updated, ignored, or archived. Keep a close eye on your errors by clicking the file link on each import. While waiting for automatic rostering to be set up by your SIS system administrator, you are welcome to import students and staff manually in the Manage People tab in People Manager via CSV or Excel. When the automatic rostering starts, it will update any missing users. To manually upload users to Minga first, download your staff and student data from your SIS as a CSV or Excel file with first name, last name, and email address. For students, you must also include their grade and student ID number. Additional fields for Minga roles and ID fields are optional. Uploaded ID fields allows for additional information to appear on the digital ID as needed. Parent contact information needs to be uploaded only if you will be sending parent notifications through Minga. Now, to manually upload your file, go to People Manager and click Import List. Drag and drop or click to select your file. If applicable, check off the box for first row contains headers. Then use the right arrow to check and edit the drop-down headers that have been auto-selected for each column. Please double-check your parent information is captured accurately if needed. Each column must have a header selected to be imported correctly. Choose the Ignore header for any data you do not wish to import. Then, select the default role. This will be the role assigned to every user in your file unless you include a role column specifying each user's role. Click Import List when your data is uploaded. People Manager is your database of all your Minga users. When your community is actively using Minga, you can easily monitor who has and hasn't yet activated their accounts. Click on Register to view all users who have signed into Minga at least once, and who is unregistered to see who is not yet signed in. Export this list to email them internally if needed. Use the search bar and the role and grade filters to search in the database. You can also archive users manually here by clicking Archive. You will then need to search for the user by name and click the checkbox. Then select Archive and Confirm.